Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the wheels and the combination of the wheels and the track system for an RC tank design. As you see here, I've made this model totally handmade. So I will teach you and explain how to make your own model. For the wheels, in my design, I have used a 35mm ball bearing, and I have managed and cut this steel shaft with 15mm diameter and inserted it by the hammer inside the wheel, so it's very rigid actually and free to move or to rotate. Then I attached a 3mm screws like this with the tank frame to act as a suspension, torsion bar suspension. The track I have used, as I have explained in earlier videos, consists of two cupboard hangs like this, attached together. I have attached each two of them by screws, bolts and nuts like this. The screws will act as a guide for the wheels, so they will stay in their path during the movement of the tank, as you see here. But to push and pull the chain or the track, you will need a driver gear, so you have to design your own one. This one I have used or designed by making two plates like this and bore a holes with a calculated distances, and I put screws to act like a teeth of the gear. So the gear will act as a driver gear for the chain itself. All you need for each side of the tank is one driver gear, one in the back, and in the front just another small wheel like the other wheels. Let's turn on the tank to see how it works. As you see here, I attached 3 bolts delivered from this to AA batteries, and this is the driver gear. As you see here, it works perfect. Thank you, and don't forget to support my channel by likes, shares and subscribes.